From 1973, we have this ambulance and helicopter, Legoland 653. Still got an original price on it. Look, new 55p. How about that? This is the actual box it came in. Still in quite good condition. Look, he's very concentrating there, isn't he? Look at that. Concentration. There we go. Going to be a bit of controversy maybe, because what I am going to do is get rid of the original stickers that are on here and put some new ones on. I think they look a bit shit myself. Like, that's the box all done. We'll put it at the back there. So yeah, here's an original sheet, and so I'm going to take them off and set them back on. And here's my nice new one from sparestickers.com. So I'm going to change them over, I'm afraid. Some argument about whether or not that's correct. Someone's put one on either side. What do you think? Is it supposed to be like that? So I've got my instructions here. Doesn't tell us anything about it. A lot of the old ones don't show you stickers at all. We're quite lucky with the box here. It does show you. If you look at the back of the ambulance there, it definitely has one there. Oh no, it doesn't. There we go. No, it doesn't have one. Talking at me ass. So we'll ignore that. We're just going to build the helicopter. As was at the time, they were often 3s. And this is 3 across here. So we've got our nice original bricks here. There we go. 1, 2 there. And then a 6. 6 and an 8, which go right in the middle like that. So 6, 6, and oh, somebody's put a sticker on the end of that. Is that supposed to go on there? Yes, it is. You can just see right on the end there. It has one, but I'm going to get rid of that. Sorry. So it's died. You purists probably like the original stickers on, but they look shit. They look knackered, all yellow. I mean, look at that one. Looks awful. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Right, that goes there. Do you know what? I'm gonna put it the other way around because it's got the mould mark on the end. I'll put the sticker over the mould mark because it's a good idea, isn't it? That's a bit dirty there. I'm gonna clean that. My cloth. There, it's better. Right, we'll put that down there. And let's get ourselves a sticker then. Right, that's going to be right on the end then. And cover up that horrible mould mark. Not terribly straight. Going to take it off one more time. And get it, hopefully. That's alright, there we go. Right, there's our stick on the back. Oh, sort of falling off. Put that down there. Right, we've got our cockpit windscreen there. Got 2 more 2x3s here. There you go. We'll keep knocking that off. And then our propeller base goes there. Just noticed I put this in the wrong piece, haven't I? Idiot. A prat. Come on, get off. There it is. Let's put it back on the right one. But this is going to be changed over in a moment as well. Come on, get on there. Right, okay. Let's put that one back in the original place. I think build it back up again. If anything, this is a useful guide for people to know where their sticker's actually supposed to go. Right. And then we'll put this back on here, like that. Right, now we're going to take these off. So sorry if it's sacrilege to get rid of these. I mean, they're horrible colour anyway. And for some reason, if you notice, these are black. Yeah, the ones on the box are red, but SpareStickers.com have gone with either. I'm going to go with the red. That's what the instructions and box show. So if I get that off my fingers, it'll be quite good. Get that one off there as well. Here it comes. See, that's why it's useful to have long nails. Okay. Off you come. Get rid of that. Give me a cloth again. Give it a bit of a polish there. Okay. There we go. These aren't original bricks from the set, so if you want to know what 1973 bricks should be those. Got a nice polish there. You can get too obsessed with particular correct vintage plates. Right, there we go. So I'm going to put this on, and I'll put the stickers on in a moment because I want to make sure they're in the right place. I'm going to compare it with the rest of the box first. So let's get the rest of it built. We've got our bit on the back, and we've got, see, they weren't tight in these days, were they? Nice lot of blades, 4 all the way around, not 2 or 2 and a little drill on there. Yeah, 4 proper blades. Look at that. Right, so let's see where that is. It's basically in line with this, isn't it? So we go with the red. I want to set the black off as well. So I'm going to go. Oh. There we go. Bugger it. That's about right, there we are. That's nice. S21. Here's the other one. Same principle again, it's going to line up with that bit there. Got it there. One at the front. Get rid of a mould mark. No, that's too far over that one, let's move it. I told you I was very particular. No, too low down. That'll do. Put these now. Where are they? I'd say they're in line with this plate here. But that. That's alright. Horrible mould marks. Never mind. Right. That it. One on the front. One on the back. S21. Whatever that means. Ambulance. Whack that on there. And sticker. Right in the middle. Helps it straight, isn't it? No, it's not far enough over. That'll do. That's about right. So that goes on the back, like that. On there. On there. Straight on the front. And put the wheels on. That one. And nice shiny bricks there. That's it. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Horrible mold mark, but there we go. Oh, let's have it on the same side, shall we? Because that's got one as well. Put that down there. Roof. Oh, lots of mold marks there. Look. Anyway, that one there. Some blue. I say blue lights. They're not blue lights because they didn't do it then. Just blue plates. And this tile. Without a groove. Right. Yeah. Oh, first time, not bad. Right. That wedge is in there. Possibly. There it is. Right, let's get rid of those stickers. There it is then. Oh no, it's not. Still got 2 more stickers to put on. Silly sod. Where do they go? Right, it actually goes onto the roof plate, that does. Interesting. I see, right above the wheel. That'll do, that's alright. One more. And we're done. Oh, look, nearly had that mould mark there, not balls. Right, I think that's definitely finished. We checked the box. Sticker there, one there, one on the back. Yes, one not on the back of that. So that's all there. That's a bit wonky, isn't it? Is it? No. Right then, helicopter. One on the front, one on each side. S21, and then, as you can just see, look, really hard to see, but it is there, on there. So no thanks on the instructions for that, but anyway, that's done. So I hope that's useful finding out where the damn stickers go on that, because Lego didn't want to help you. And there we are, it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that business. And we're done. Bye.